Gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to make a pizza. I'm gonna get mad because it hurts.
I don't want to get hurt.
Hold on.
Where's she going? I don't like pizza.
You don't like pizza?
Pizza is yummy.
Alright, wait, I'll show you. Okay, ready? Okay, first, you gotta take the dough, right? And you need the Okay, we'll skip that part. Then you have to flatten it out. You push out the crust to the side. No, you push it out to the crust. Okay, and then what you do after that is...
No, that's fun. Okay, then what you do it.
What? Alright, afterwards, so what you gotta do is you gotta put the sauce on, you gotta smear it on. So you dig it and smear it, and you rub it all around, right? Then you get the cheese and you gotta put the cheese. So now you got the cheese, right? You gotta put the pepperoni on, you slap pepperoni. And then you gotta cut the pizza, right? So you cut